unattainable. But when you hold on to the word of God and to God himself, all things that you go through, God will always give you grace to come out of it safe. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they were thrown in the furnace of fire that was hardened 7 times more. And these 3 guys said to the king, "Oh king, long live the king. But in this matter of buying these chapters and statues, we shall not negotiate. We shall not negotiate. In this matter, we shall not negotiate." Sometimes we come to a place that we see fire, but we negotiate. We see temptation, we negotiate. We see the empty city, we negotiate. These 3 men say, "We shall not bow to anything. We shall not bow." So whosoever that God is taking to be that fire, he wants his name to be glorified in it. And that's why after they were taken out of the fire again, the king made a decree